the escalating conflict between the Department of Justice, DOJ, and FBI agents involved in investigations related to Donald Trump reached a critical point with the filing of a lawsuit. This legal action, brought by FBI agents who participated in inquiries connected to the January 6th Capitol attack and the Mar-a-Lago search, alleges that a DOJ demand for a comprehensive list of employees involved in these investigations is a prail. The suit details the DOJ's request, specifically targeting the names, office locations, and job titles of all FBI personnel who contributed to these investigations. This, the agents contend, is a blatant attempt to identify and potentially dismiss those deemed politically undesirable by the current administration. The complaint directly accuses the Trump administration of seeking retribution against individuals perceived as disloyal due to their involvement in investigating actions instigated by Trump himself and his allies. It highlights the administration's apparent belief that those participating in the January 6th and Mar-a-Lago investigations lack sufficient political alignment with Trump and therefore are not entitled to retain their positions. The lawsuit emphasizes the deeply unsettling nature of this action, suggesting it represents a chilling precedent for future administrations and potentially stifles the independence and integrity of federal law enforcement. The agents argue that the compilation of this list is not merely an administrative exercise, but rather a targeted effort to purge the FBI of individuals who pursued investigations that ran counter to the political interests of the former Prezi. This perceived threat of mass firings is seen as a direct attack on the rule of law and the principle of impartial justice. The suit further contends that such actions undermine the principles of a fair and unbiased legal system, where investigations are conducted without fear of political reprisal. The plaintiffs claim that the demand for employee information is a clear violation of their rights and is intended to intimidate and silence those who carry out investigations deemed politically inconvenient. The timing of the request, coupled with Trump's repeated public pronouncements of intent to punish perceived enemies, strengthens the agents' argument. The lawsuit underscores the seriousness of the situation, pointing out the potential for irreparable harm to the FBI's ability to conduct impartial investigations and maintain public trust. It also emphasizes the broader implications for the integrity of the entire justice system, highlighting the risk of political interference undermining the independence of federal law enforcement agencies. The plaintiffs seek a court order to halt the DOJ's actions and prevent any retaliatory personnel decisions based on their involvement in these politically charged investigations. The outcome of this lawsuit will have significant consequences, not only for the FBI agents directly involved, but also for the future of impartial investigations within the Department of Justice and the wider federal government. This is a battle over the independence of law enforcement and the integrity of the justice system, a battle with profound implications for American democracy. The agents' bravery in challenging this alleged abuse of power deserves recognition, as their actions protect the foundational principles of a fair and equitable justice system.